So we've got mole pre-lab, mole cookies. What else is there? Mole RAM. Right. Because I'm supposed to have an opinion about a unit of measurement. How the hell am I supposed to rant about moles? Oh my god. Whatever. That's what the rest of this assignment. That's what the rest of it. Okay, what do I need? Clear voice. Good time to get sick, Rachel. 10 out of 10. Okay, what else? Good eye contact. That's not going to get creepy at all after a while. And, humorous. Oh, okay, oh. I'm done. Sorry, Alex. We're gonna fail. Bye.
I think
Fudge.
not.
Okay, so I may or may not have fallen down a teeny bit of an internet hole on the research of moles for maybe like a few hours or days. That doesn't matter because I finally have something to rant about, and I have a lot of stuff that I would like to get off of my mind. So before I do that though, let's just start off by going over the definition of a mole, you know? Just so that everyone's like on the same page. Wouldn't want anyone to be confused here.
A mole is...
A small burrowing insectivorous mammal
No,
with dark milk
not that one.
a spike who achieves over a long
No,
period
not that one either.
a small, often slightly raised blemish on the skin made dark by a
No,
high
not that one either.
concentration of melanin.
Gee!
A large solid structure on a shore serving as a pier.
Okay, this
breakwater.
is just getting ridiculous.
The SI unit of amount of substance equal to the quantity containing as many elementary units as there are atoms in 0.012 kilograms of carbon-12.
Finally. Wait. There are even more of them?
A highly spiced Mexican sauce made chiefly from chili peppers and chocolate served with meat.
An abnormal mass of tissue in the uterus? Now, if you can't guess what I'm going to be ranting about, it's the fact that they decided to call this unit of measurement a mole. They called it a mole. So at first, I thought that it was Mr. Avocado who was to blame for all of this, but it wasn't. The amount of units in a mole is known as Avogadro's number, but that doesn't mean that he came up with the mole, and it certainly doesn't mean that he was the one that created the term. You see, in 1894, a German chemist named Wilhelm Ostwald coined the term for the unit as mole, which is simply short for the German word for molecule, which I'm not going to try to pronounce now because I'll butcher it, but we'll come back to that later. 3 years later, the word mole came, which was simply the English translation for mole, but with an E at the end.
This E bothers me very much. I would much prefer to just say mall.
If it weren't for this E, I really wouldn't even have a reason to be arguing. I wouldn't have a rant. But there is an E, and this E might seem a little insignificant to you, but it makes me so annoyed. Let me just go over a few reasons why. So first of all, there's the fact that the word mole, spelled M-O-L-E, already has so many definitions in the English language. Like, it's ridiculous. Why would they do that? All it does is confuse students and confuse people when they're like, oh, like a mole? You mean the mole sisters? No, I mean this unit of chemistry, not the mole on your face. Oh, Rachel, but like, is molecule said as molecule in German? Well, so here you go.
Molecule.
Yes, but we're not speaking German. The English word for molecule is not said as molecule, it's said as molecule. Another reason why we should just call it a mol. M-O-L without the E. Why would we say that mole is short for molecule? That's like saying that time is short for Timothy. It doesn't make sense. Also, the unit of measurement, like when we put it into an equation, is just spelled M-O-L. Why can't we just keep it all as M-O-L? It would simplify things, it would get rid of the confusion, and it would just make things better. So I don't know if it's annoying me because of the fact that it's named after something that could possibly be inside of my uterus, or if it's just because I just can't get the idea of people going molecule out of my head, but it's awful, and that would be my opinion on moles.